This is a tutorial for the string bass, warm up, number 34, measure 2. Will be the exam for Wednesday, November the 14th. You do not have to play this fast. I want you to learn. I don't want to humiliate you. Just want you to make it as clear as possible how you do this. There's a specific fingering they want you to use. So I'm looking at the second measure of warm-up 34. Starts with an open D, so it has an O over it. Then it has a 1 over the D sharp. D sharp is a low first finger, white tape. Then it has a dash and a 1. It's telling you to shift between here, D sharp, and E. Then second finger for the F natural, fourth finger for the G sharp, F sharp, open for the open G, low 1 for the G sharp. Then it wants you to shift to the A, second for the A sharp, fourth finger for the B. Then there's a dash telling you to shift to the C, second finger for the C sharp. See, I messed up just a little bit there at the end.